Okay, moving right along. Our next contestant. He wowed us last time with his stirring rendition of Melech Malchei HaMelachim. You know who it is already, right? Let's hear it for... He is from Monsey, New York. He sings so beautiful and heartsig with his ganze neshama in a Hasidic way. We love it. Please come on stage and give a real round of applause for Moki Salamon. Moki, it's so good to see you tonight. Hatzlacha Rabba, you're going to do amazing.
Thank you.
As always.
Hello, Moki.
Hi.
How are you? Guten Tag.
Tag.
How was Shabbos?
Hashem.
Hast du gekannt schlafen ein bisschen, or you were... Look it up quickly. ChatGPT it. You were able to sleep? You were able to get a little... or you were a little nervous?
I was able to sleep.
You were able to sleep? Wow, there you go. That's Moki for you. Well, you should be nervous. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, Moki, what are you doing tonight?
I'm singing Shema Yisrael.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, listen, I wish you the best. I saw you side stage and I saw you practicing. I think you can do great. Zone everybody out. No one is listening, trust me. And just be in your moment, own it, and go for it. You ready? Okay. We're all rooting for you, Moki. Take it away.
כשהלב בוחר, רק אלוקים שומע, הכאב עולה מתוך הנשמה, אדם נופל לפני שהוא שוקע, בתפילה קטנה הולכת הדממה, שמע ישראל אלוקיי, אתה הכל יכול, נתת לי את חיי, נתת לי הכל, בעיניי דמעה, הלב בוכה בשקט, וכשהלב שותק, הנשמה זועקת, שמע ישראל אלוקיי, עכשיו אני לבד, חזק אותי אלוקיי, עשה שלא אבחר, הכאב קטן ואליה ליפוע, עשה שיגמר, כי לא נותר בי כוח, כשהלב בוכה, הזמן עומד מלכת, האדם רואה את כל חייו פתאום, לא נותר, לא רוצה ללכת, לנותיו קורא, הסוף תהום, שמע ישראל אלוקיי, אתה הכל יכול, נתת לי את חיי, נתת לי הכל, fall down because
Wow, Moki Salamon. Beautiful, Moki. Thank you. Wow. Let's hear it from Moki.
Moki. I wore a special Bekisha tonight that's going to prevent me from chills, but I'm getting chills all over. My goodness. You know, I want to address the elephant in the room for a moment. Yitzi, stop eating so much Shabbos. No, not that elephant. No, really. There were a lot of chatter. Again, I'm going to look into the camera. There's a lot of chatter going on about only one contestant from this second season, and the next 3 are really from the first season. And let me tell you why you're all wrong. How do you deny this from us? That's impossible.
Okay.
And by the way, what do you mechanech your kids? Never give a kid a second chance? What kind of business is this? Moki lost in the first round. So did Moshe Erlanger. They became better. They came back, and we gave them a second chance. That's just the way life is. That's who we are as Yidden. We always survive, and we come back again. Moki, you blew up the joint. You were amazing. I don't have enough words to give you your accolades. I don't know how. I think if the next 2 acts are just as good, I am going to run away and let these 2 guys decide. I'm out of here. There's no way I'm doing this. Amazing. I have no words.
Moki, look, I don't know how this night will end. I really don't. We're 50% through, and there's so many other acts and so much more. But what I can say, this was a Hask-worthy moment. You sang so beautifully. You nailed the song, and you just raised the level of hardship with a nice few points. Kol hakavod. This is becoming harder than I thought. Moshe, I'm not sure. Moshe!
Yeah.
I'm not sure what your plan is, but you have to deal with this talent now. Let's hear you. Wow!
That was incredible. That was incredible. You know, Moki, I think, first of all, to talk about your pick for a second, I think everyone was expecting, saying you're Hasidic boy. I think we were expecting a nice Hasidic song. That was not a Hasidic song. That was...
I think it's a Vishnitz and Nigan.
It now is a Hasidic song.
Yeah. By Tish.
Well, by Vishnitz. Moki, you blew the roof off this building with that. That was unbelievable how you felt the song, how you sang the song, how you really, again, you moved through the song so comfortably, you sang it well. You didn't just, kind of sing it and check it off. You put every single ounce of mokiness that you have into that song. I just coined that. We can make that a t-shirt. Mokiness. Like, singing levels. Like 100% mokiness, 50% mokiness. This is 1,000% mokiness. What I'm trying to say is that was unbelievable. You could feel it in the room. You made our job a lot harder, Moki. So I'm not sure if I'll Michael you, but I'm just kidding. That was amazing.
It's for such moments that we're here. The song, the singer, the performance, the crowd.
Yeah.
I think this, if I can say, this season is so much better than last season, but this performance is showing us what next season will look like.
I want to say that what I think Yidi means by being better is that I think just because of so much of the... I'll tell you like this, Moki, okay? You're going to just be here for my little... This Shabbos, I could not walk in or out of shul without, 50 kids just asking me, Moki, this one, Yisrael, Zev, Maishi, Binyamin, everything. Just the hack is unbelievable. The whole world is looking at you. So don't feel nervous. You're already saying. But what that means is really, 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 that's all nice. But you did what Yitzi said. You zoned it all out. And you sang to Hashem. It was awesome. It was awesome. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.